Okay, so what we're doing here is we're taking some written information, we're going to convert it to a Venn diagram and also a two-way table. I know questions are nice to do, but you've got to know how to do that as well. Then we're going to answer some questions. So we've got 24 students, 11 of them play basketball, 7 play tennis, 4 play both. So we're told that they play both. We're going to use T for tennis, B for basketball. So we're told some play both, so we're going to have some overlap. So here's one circle, here's the other circle. Of course, if there was 3, we'd have 3 circles. So we've got tennis here, we've got basketball here, we've got the squiggly for everything. Now let's put some circles in. So 11 students play basketball, 7 play tennis, 4 play both. My advice, do the one that play both first. That is, for certain. So we're going to put a 4 in there. Now, it tells us that 11 students play basketball. It doesn't say 11 students only play basketball, or 11 students play basketball only. It tells us 11 students play basketball, so that means in total 11 play basketball. So in total 11 play basketball. So if we've already got 4 that play both, how many will play just basketball? Well, that'll end up being 7. And if 7 play tennis, 4 already play both, so that means 3 only play tennis. So we can just check that now. So 4 play both, 7 play tennis, 4 and 3 make 7, 11 play basketball, 4 and 7 make 11. Okay, so we've got 24 students. So now we're going to have some left over here. So 3, 4 and 7 is 14. That means we've got 10 students that don't do either. Bit lazy. Anyhow, let's see how we can put that into a two-way table. So let's pretend we haven't done this. We're not going to convert this to this. We're going to convert this to this. So we're going to have a look at this. 4 play both. Well, both is here. So we'll put a 4 here. Now, it tells us that, what else have we got? So 4 play both, 7 play tennis. So we know that 7 play tennis, so we put a 7 here because that's our total. So I'll put total here, and I'll do total here as well. Okay, so, and we should have 24 over here. So, now for basketball, it tells us that 11 students play basketball, so we've got 11 there. So that means that to go to what we can do now, we've got to do some subtraction. So 7 minus 4, we end up with 3. 11 minus 4, we end up with 7. Now from there, 24 minus 11, we get 13. 24 minus 7, we get 17. And then we've got 10 here. So what we've done there is that we were told how many did both. We were told there was 24 in total. We were told that 11 students played basketball, 7 played tennis, and then we found the rest by subtraction. 4 plus this adds up to 7, 4 plus this adds up to 11. Once we filled that in, we can fill these in as well, and then we found the leftovers, and everything should correspond. So 4 and 4, 3 and 3, 7 and 7, 10 and 10, and then all the basketballs, there's 11. All the tennis players, there is 7. All the non-tennis players is 17, so that is 10 plus this 7. All of the non-basketballers is 13, so that's 10 plus this 3. So that's what we've got there. So now we're going to do some calculations. If one student is selected at random, then find the probability that student plays basketball. So we're saying the probability of B, they play basketball, is 4 plus 7 to make 11. So it's 11 out of a possible 24. Now we're looking for the probability that they play tennis or basketball. Notice we're using or, not union. So probably they play tennis or basketball is 3 plus 7 plus 4 to make 14. out of 24, and then we can simplify it to 7 out of 12. And then the last thing there says the probability that a student plays tennis or basketball, but not both. So they play tennis or basketball, but not both. So it's just 3 over, so just 3 and 7. So that we'd end up with 10. So for that last one, we've got 10 out of 24, or 5 over 12. That's how we go about solving those. So yeah, that's how we convert some written text into a Venn diagram, written text into a two-way table, and then how we go about finding some probabilities.